Yeah. So the next topic is Singleton objects. Okay. So I already briefly explained you at the time of when we're talking about auxiliary constructors for a pizza class. I took the companion pizza class with a default size and default type, if you guys remember. Okay. Don't tell me that we have forgot. Now, purpose is same. Like anything that you want to make as a static and that is available across all your objects. Since we don't have the static keyword in Scala, we achieve that all the static functionality, whatever we were getting in Java. It could be a static variable, it could be a static method, it could be a static block, all those things that you put it inside a one object. So this object, anything that you declare inside this, same like your static method or a field access, here also that object name dot your method name, object name dot your field name, the same manner you can access them. So generally, anything that will not have a different instances, different copies of that will put it in a one singleton object. There is no way that you can create an object of that again and again. You're already creating as an object and you can access that wherever you want to. For example, so if you see this example, maybe that might make more sense to you in real time. I have a date utils class. Okay, generally in Java. Inside that, get current date, get current time. So from wherever you call this, you need the same functionality. Okay, it's not like yeah, if someone calls you, you should give different values. The other one calls you the other value. If anyone calls you with the same parameters, you will be giving the same results, irrespective of object. Whereas, if you have a employee class and get salary method, if you call on Dharmesh object, it will be a different value. If you call on a Snehali object, it will give a different salary value object. But no matter whether I am calling it from Dharmesh object or Snehali object, if I call get current date, the date should be same. I mean, by given the time zone, we're taking that. Okay, don't go by the literal meaning. So anything that is common, irrespective of your object changing, if it is not changing with the object to object, we'll put them in one singleton object, and we access that the object name dot method name and object name dot field name.
So basically, these are defined variables whose values don't change.
Defined variables for?
Means these are the ones whose values don't change irrespective of the objects. Even if the object is same or different, the values remain. Returned value will be same irrespective of the object.
Correct, correct. Irrespective of your objects, these will be common for all. So that kind of functionality only we'll put it inside a singleton object. And you can't create a new date utils. You can't declare val a equal to new date utils. That is not allowed. This is already an object. You can't create one more object on that. Since this is already an object and you can't create another object on top of this, another instance or another copy of this object, we call this as a singleton object. Is it clear?
Yes, Shiva.
Maybe if you guys would have known the Java static, then I could have done lots of other comparisons as well. But I don't want to take that because I need to explain what is static also for you. Is it clear, Dharmesh?
Yeah, one question. So, is it similar to the variable defining inside the class and accessing that variable in all other objects?
Yes, same, similar only. But anything that you don't see, if you declare a variable inside a class, let's say I have employee class, okay?
Yeah.
Employee class name, salary is there. Okay. So I can create Dharmesh object by using that employee class.
Correct.
Name and salary will differ for Dharmesh.
Yep.
And using the same employee class, I can create Snehali object.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
But date is something that is common for both the guys.
Yep.
So I don't need to maintain that at class level. I'll put it in a one constant block, and from there I will refer for both of these objects.
Yep. Yeah, I just wanted to understand the difference. Okay.
That's it.
Shiva, don't close your command line. After the class, I need to see the command line that you showed. So don't close that window, okay?
This one?
The command line. Yeah, no, this is the command line.
This is the command line. Yep.
Yeah. So don't close this. After the class, I need to speak about about checking this on the like through the command line, because right now we are doing it through Eclipse and all that, but I want to know how it is going through this, like in terms of memory and stuff like that. So it's like out of the box. I'll speak to you after the class on this.
Okay. Yeah. So if you feel like if that is something that will be helpful for everyone, you can ask your questions. This
is basically, I'm talking in terms of my current situation for the current project.
Okay.
So that's why maybe Larissa could join that conversation. Larissa,
okay.
you could join it. I have some questions related to this.
Okay, no problem, Snehali. Yeah, we can discuss on that. Okay, no problem. Okay, so that is something which is common for all. If you put that in an object, that is called a singleton object.